We're the saints of degeneration. We don't know anyone an explanation. Fuck elitists, we don't need this. We're the elite, I'm just alright. And well, because we're doing fine, and we don't need to be told that we're doing fine, cause we won't give you control, and we don't need anything from you, cause we'll be just fine, and we won't be blind souls, just like you. Haven't been home for a while. I'm sure everything's the same. Mom and dad both in denial, and only job to take the blame. Sorry mom, but I don't miss you. Father's no name you deserve. I'm just a kid with no ambitions. Wouldn't come home for the world to never know what I've become. The king of all that's said and done, the forgotten son. The city's buried in defeat. I walk along these no-name streets, wave goodbye to all as I fall. At the dead end I begin to burn the bridge of innocence. Satisfaction guaranteed, a pillow away catastrophe. On a mission, nowhere bound, inhibitions underground, a shallow grave I have dug all by myself. And now I've been gone for so long, I can't remember who was wrong. All innocence is long gone. I pledge allegiance to a world of disbelief where I belong. Walking disaster, the son of all bastards. You regret you made me, it's too late to save me. Regret you made me, it's too late to save me. As far as I can tell, it's just voices in my head. Am I talking to myself? Cause I don't know what I just said. And she said, as far as where I fell, maybe I'm better off dead. Am I at the end of nowhere? Is this as good as it gets? And now I've been gone for so long, I can't remember who was wrong. All innocence is long gone. I pledge allegiance to a world of disbelief where I belong. Walking disaster, the son of all bastards. You regret you made me, it's too late to save me. To save me.